Because again, I did have suicidal thoughts. I had to have that reality check with myself. Okay, let's assume you did just take your life now. And now you have a second chance at life with this energy that you just got from acupuncture. And the question was, well, what's going to make me happy right now? And immediately, acting. I was an actor when I was a young little girl in Turkmenistan. But once I came to America, like that was a distant dream I could never accomplish. So I just applied for acting school that was local. A few weeks later, I attend the workshop. A few weeks later, I sign up for classes. A few weeks later, I become a full-time actor, then become a full-time model. A few weeks later, after that, I get fired from my corporate job. A few weeks later, I'm just getting bookings as an actor, as a model, back to back to back. And then a few weeks later, there's COVID. And so
after you got fired.
Yes, after I got fired.
And they were booking you left and right.
Yes, they were booking me left and right. My resume as an actor and model just like kept growing immediately after I got fired. Yeah.
Amazing.